And finally, as part of the NDTV Piramal Cultivating Hope campaign, we bring you a special story from Madhya Pradesh about crop insurance and whether it's been able to help the farmers in distress.
In this fertile belt of Madhya Pradesh's Barwani district, Shantabai Yadav grows multiple crops each year: papaya, sugarcane, onions, chilies, wheat and corn. But unseasonal rains last year in March, followed by a drought this summer, has hit farmers like her hard. Shantabai was hopeful that the crop insurance she had taken and the premiums which she paid promptly would help cushion some of the losses, but she is yet to receive any money from insurance.
तो काम हमने कम से कम 2 लाख रुपया खर्चो कर दियो, 25,000 को तो बीज ही लगायो, तो काम पाँव लाई करना चोपिया था, मजदूरी सब लगा था और 2 लाख से भी ऊपर हुए। मेरा 10 लाख रुपया नुकसान हुआ मिर्ची।
The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has replaced the 2 existing crop insurance schemes. The farmers' contribution under the new scheme has been reduced. There is no capping, which means claims cannot be cut down or reduced. 25% of the claim due will be paid immediately, and if crop damage is localized because of hailstorm, inundation or unseasonal rain, this too will be covered under the new scheme. But many are questioning the effectiveness of the new scheme.
Actually, ये जो फसल बीमा योजना है वो तो लूट की योजना रही है। अलग-अलग क्षेत्रों में हम देख रहे हैं कि किसानों से जबरन बीमा वसूल करना, उसका प्रीमियम वसूल करना, यही बहुत बड़ा अन्याय है। एक्चुअली जो पहले कर्जदार हो रहा है उसको कैसे आप सुरक्षा दें ताकि उसको कर्ज लेने की जरूरत न पड़े, ये जरूरी है।
The primary concern with farmers has been the unit-based insurance, which means if one farmer's fields are badly hit by hailstorm but his neighbor's fields suffer less damage, then the compensation offered to both is calculated by looking at the average damage in the entire village rather than individual losses.
In that Haryana government program, they were trying to address the issue of per unit insurance, which means if I've got only 1 acre of land, why should my loss be assessed on the basis of the average of a village? Which was a completely wrong way of getting an insurance or for working for farmers. So I think what we need to do is go to per unit basis.